Hey there, I'm Erin, and today I'm here to give you the full scoop on 24 Burn before you consider buying it. I've got a few key things you need to know, so make sure to stick around until the end of this video. First off, a quick but important heads up, be careful where you buy 24 Burn. It's only available on the official website, and that's the only place where you're guaranteed to get the original product. So to make things easier for you, I've already added the official website link right below in the description of this video. Now, let's talk about what makes 24 Burn different from all the other weight loss products out there. This supplement is a total game changer for anyone who's serious about steady, natural fat loss. One thing that really sets it apart is that it comes in liquid drops, not pills. That means your body absorbs the ingredients much faster and more effectively. But here's the real magic: 24 Burn works around the clock. Yep, you're actually burning fat day and night, even while you're resting or asleep. It sounds intense, but it's true, and it's supported by real results and customer feedback. The formula is designed to maximize how your body turns food into energy. So instead of storing fat, your body uses what you eat to keep your metabolism running high. You're literally fueling your fat burning engine 24/7. And one of the most loved benefits? A big energy boost. Many users say they feel more energetic throughout the day without any crash. It's not just a short term spike, it's consistent, long lasting energy that keeps up with your active lifestyle, from work to workouts. And here's the part that really matters: there are zero reported side effects. Unlike many weight loss supplements that cause jitteriness, nausea, or headaches, 24 Burn is 100% natural, well tolerated, and easy on your system. People love it not only for the weight loss results, but because they feel good while taking it. Despite being a newer product, 24 Burn has already gained a loyal following, and there are tons of success stories from people who have seen impressive results. If you want to hear their experiences, definitely check out the testimonials on the official website. And here's something even better: you can try 24 Burn completely risk free for 60 days. That means if it doesn't work for you or you're not satisfied, you can get 100% of your money back, no questions asked. But please remember, only order from the official website to avoid scams or fakes. The link is right below this video. That's it for now. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe for more reviews like this. Take care, and I'll see you next time.